Welcome back. It's part 2. I think I'm getting better because I kind of practiced, but yeah, let's do it again. I didn't practice really long, but okay, that's okay. I'm gonna be bad at the beginning, so don't judge me. For the times that you rain on my and all the clouds you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I've been moving on. And I think you should something I wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong, cause I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own, cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Okay, that's all I'm gonna be singing. As I told you, maybe I didn't tell you, but I'm just me. I just sing half of it because I don't want the lyrics and I don't have that much room. This paper. Here also. But anyways, bye. There's a lot of parts. That's because I'm practicing, need practice, but hope you guys have a nice day or have a good night, and see ya.